Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's video, we're talking about running, so let's get started. When this topic comes up, you could expect to hear the question, do you like running? Yes, I enjoy running a lot, is a basic answer you could say. But instead, you could say, yes, I find a great deal of enjoyment in running as a form of exercise and stress relief. Where do you run is another question. You can say, I usually run in the park near my house. My preferred running routes are usually within the local park or along the scenic trails in the mine. How often do you run? I try to run a few times a week. I make an effort to engage in running sessions at least 3 times a week to maintain my fitness level. Did you do running and sport lessons at school? Yes, we had running activities during sports class, or running was incorporated into our physical education curriculum, so we had various running activities during school sport class. Have you ever tried to run a long distance? Yes, I've participated in a charity run where I ran a longer distance. I challenged myself by participating in a charity run that required covering a longer distance than my usual runs. What is the longest distance that you've ever run? You could say, I once ran about 10 kilometers during the charity event. Or the furthest I ran in a single event was approximately 10 kilometers, which I accomplished during the charity run. Would you like to watch a running race on TV? Sure, I find watching running races interesting. Or, absolutely, observing competitive running races on television is quite engaging and inspiring to me. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me. Running improves cardiovascular fitness and strengthens muscles. It releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and is an excellent stress-relieving activity. It also helps to maintain a healthy weight and boost your endurance. Recreational jogging allows individuals to enjoy nature and unwind. Competitive running involves participating in races of different distances, and trail running provides a more challenging and scenic experience. Ultra running tests endurance further, with distances exceeding traditional marathons. Marathons attract runners from all over the world. Half marathons, 10K races, and 5K races provide options for various fitness levels. And fun runs and charity races allow participants to contribute to causes they care about. Running dates back to ancient civilizations where it was essential for hunting and survival. In modern times, running has become a recreational and competitive activity. Organized races and the inclusion of running in the Olympic Games solidify its place in sports culture. Running helps improve fitness, achieve personal goals, and enjoy the outdoors. Running offers numerous physical, mental, and social benefits, and is a versatile activity suitable for people of all backgrounds. I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary that I want you to take away and incorporate into your everyday language use. Recreational, endurance, cardiovascular, muscular, scenic, ultra running, distances, charity races, accomplishment, survival, advent. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing activities. Please have a go at putting these in your own words at home by yourself. The question, do you like running? Instead, you could say, do you enjoy engaging in running activities? Where do you run? Instead, where do you typically engage in your running sessions? How often do you run? How frequently do you involve yourself in running? In statements, running improves cardiovascular fitness. What about instead saying engaging in running activities can significantly enhance your heart health? Ultra running events often involve racing distances longer than traditional marathons. Ultra running races usually encompass distances that exceed those of conventional marathons. And lastly, the paraphrasing descriptions. You're on your own for that one. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.